Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anusha Chaman. Today we'll be discussing about various work from home opportunities for women. Due to the stressful times, many people have lost jobs, and people who have jobs are like juggling between managing their household chores and their official needs, especially for women. This is really hard time dealing with it. Even the work from home has its own pros and cons. So today we'll be discussing various work from home opportunities for women from both technical and non-technical background. So let's get started. So the first profile is content writing. So content writing is one of the most sought after jobs. So we look for various things on Google, right? So all the answers that we get is almost the content which someone has already posted. Content writers has good demand, especially in the business and marketing field. So many of the startups hire freelance content writers as they can't manage to hire full-time employees for like minor things. They usually prefer freelancers for any of their projects. If you are good in writing and editing skills and can creatively and effectively communicate your thoughts to your audience, then you are good to go. If you are starting your career as a content writer, you better stick on to one niche where your interest lies. You can write some like niche specific blogs or any website content and develop a portfolio. Content writing along with copywriting skills works best if you are into the marketing field. So if you understand the buyer persona and draft your content according to that, it is a key advantage to develop your profile. You can create a portfolio and apply for content writing jobs on various of the freelance portals like Upwork or Fiverr, etc. The second work from home profile is the social media manager. Social media management is not everyone's cup of tea. So many companies, shops, salons and even restaurants have their own social media pages. So they don't have any time to create content on daily basis and engage with the audience. So in this aspect, they hire either any of the social media agencies or any freelancers for their social media management. So based on this opportunity, you can approach any of the like salons or the companies or restaurants, wherever your interest lies, and you can tell them that you will be managing their social media and build their audience and all. So you can work for one or two free clients to develop your portfolio and later start charging based on your experience. If you want to know about various other methods to earn money online, then you can check out my other video on how to earn money online. The third profile for work from home opportunity is online tutor. Online teaching has taken place like never before. If you are a housewife or passionate about teaching, then you can take up this profession. There are various websites like Vedantu, QMath and Byju's where they'll be hiring online tutors. If you have a laptop with good webcam and internet connection, then you can teach students from anywhere and earn money. The fourth opportunity is e-commerce business. If you are a housewife or if you are just fed up of your 9 to 5 job, then you can start selling online on various of the e-commerce platforms like Amazon or Flipkart, or even you can have your own Shopify store and sell things online. To start your journey on selling things online, you need to have a GST number. Amazon even provides FBA option where Amazon takes care of your goods shipping, and all you have to do is send your products to Amazon warehouse. Amazon will charge some amount or commission for it, that is up to 15%. You can sell any product which is easily available in your location. You can sell anything from home appliances to home decor or daily essentials, anything. Before finalizing the product, you should be considering the products which are already selling and has huge competition. Usually they see the products which are already selling has a huge competition, and you won't make any profits as a new seller. So be careful while choosing your product. Test a few of the products, and later when you feel that this product will work, then only go ahead and scale your business. Find a product which has good ratings and has lower competition. To find the best selling product to sell online, you can use software like Jungle Scout, which will be helpful for you in deciding and finalizing your product. If you are good at cooking or any of the artwork, you can make some educational videos or DIY crafts or like cooking videos, travel vlogs or parenting videos, and share your knowledge on YouTube and earn money online. You can start your YouTube journey by showcasing your skills, and once your YouTube channel reaches like 4,000 hours watch time and 1K subscribers, you can monetize your channel and earn money. There are many examples where people have left their full-time job and taken YouTube as their full-time career. The sixth profile is graphic designing. If you are a creative person and very keen about designing and all, then this profile is for you. This work from home opportunity is for you. So every business needs designers, right? Like for logo designing, banners, for flyers, everything. So if you have learned few of the softwares like Photoshop or Illustrator, you can make your career as a graphic designer. You can easily earn by making attention grabbing posts, by making it very creative and effective. So you can list your services on Fiverr or Upwork and build your portfolio and start your work from home journey. The seventh profile is a social media influencer. If you have a big fan following on any of the social media platforms, then many brands will approach you for their promotions, brand promotions or sponsorships or anything like that. You can post regularly on social media platforms and grow your audience and become a social media influencer. If you are new into this and have a decent fan following, then you can approach any of the brands by showcasing your vanity metrics and engagement, your audience engagement. Though one doesn't become a social media influencer overnight, it needs a dedicated amount of hard work and consistency to become a social media influencer. If you want to start your career as a social media influencer, then make sure you won't leave your 9 to 5 job immediately, because it does take time to build the audience. You need to give at least 6 months to 1 year of time with consistent posting and all the hard work that goes behind it to become a social media influencer. So you at least need to give it a time of 6 months or 1 year. The eighth profile is virtual assistant. The virtual assistants are the one who provide professional administrative, marketing and technical assistance from their remote home office itself. You can be a virtual assistant and work from home and earn well. The ninth profile is home baking. If you're passionate about baking, then you can bake any yummy cookies, pastries, simple to fancy cakes, and you can get your orders by listing your services and providing a delivery from through a Zomato or Swiggy or anything like that. So you can develop your Instagram profile by posting pictures of your cakes and desserts, and you can get orders through Instagram as well. Home cooking need not be limited to baking. So if you are good at cooking and if you can manage to cook approximate for 15 to 20 people, then you can start your catering services by providing lunch to any of the companies in the afternoon and to serve provide your catering services for any of the parties and all. Few of the non-technical work from home opportunities can be like tailoring. So if you are good at tailoring, then you can approach any of your local tailors and you can tell them that you can stitch 1 or 2 dresses for within a day or something. Then you can bring it to your home, get the work done and earn few bucks based on number of dresses or anything that you have stitched. The next opportunity is babysitting. So if you love babies and you like to play with them and you have a lot of patience, then you can have a small play area at your home, and you can just manage like around 8 to 10 children and have a babysitting business. If you are creative and a good designer, you can do designing work on saris or kuch work or blouse designs and all. So you can start by working out for a few of your neighbors or friends and family and relatives. So based on the referrals or word of mouth, you will start getting new clients for that. So guys, these were the few of the work from home opportunities that I tried to put it up today. So if you know any other work from home opportunity that can help any other women, then kindly comment below so that it can help many others as well. All the things that I have mentioned in the video regarding online tutors or starting your e-com business using Amazon FBA, all the links I'll be putting up in the description box. Maximum possible things. I'll try that I'll not forget all the things. So if you feel that you need any of the other links for that, just you can comment and let me know. So guys, if you like my video, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified about my upcoming videos. Thank you.